What if you could cut your work week in half? Thousands of entrepreneurs are using automation to eliminate repetitive tasks and focus on growth. Here's exactly how. Most businesses waste 40 hours weekly on repetitive tasks, email sorting, customer responses, data entry, scheduling. This costs money and kills productivity. Automation fixes this immediately. One business owner automated their customer support and saved orders monthly in labor costs. That's real revenue impact. One UL work isn't scalable. Automation is. First, ChatGPT custom instructions handles customer emails and inquiries automatically. Second, Zapier connects your tools. When a customer signs up, automate invoice generation and welcome sequences instantly. Third, Make.com orchestrates complex workflows. These three tools combined eliminate 60% of daily admin work for most businesses. Results happen within days. Start with your biggest hand drain, map the process, inputs, outputs, decision points. Choose one A tool and test it for 2 weeks. Measure time saved and money generated. Scale what works. Don't automate everything at once. Focus on high-impact tasks first. Most businesses see ROI within 30 days of proper setup and implementation. Document your most repetitive workflow right now, spend 30 minutes exploring ChatGPT's capabilities for that specific task, then test a Zapier with one automation. Small wins create momentum. The businesses winning today aren't the smartest. They're the ones implementing fastest. Your competition is already automating. The question is, will you? Subscribe for more business strategies. Drop a comment. Which task will you automate first?